is a gentle giant, so grand and all, with eyes so wise and fur so thick. Meet the eastern gorilla, a gentle brick. Eastern gorilla in the trees, majestic creature swinging with ease, with arms so strong and a heart so kind. Join the forest, let's unwind. With arms so strong and a heart so kind, it roams the jungle, a peaceful mind. With a gentle touch and a loving gaze, it navigates the forest in silent ways. Eastern gorilla in the trees, majestic creature swinging with ease, with arms so strong and a heart so kind. Join the forest, let's unwind. In the canopy high it finds its nest, a leafy haven where it takes its rest. With babies small clinging to its chest, it nurtures them with love, the very best. Eastern gorilla in the trees, majestic creature swinging with ease, with arms so strong and a heart so kind. Join the forest, let's unwind. So little one, as you close your eyes tight, dream of gorillas in the moon's soft light. In the forest embrace, they'll always be.